Hey.
You think you know all about it, then it seems you are wrong.
Hey.
She hit it out of the park before it had even begun. I needed sunshine in the darkness burning out. Well, now I know that I'm the fuel and she's the spark. We are bound to each other's hearts, caught, torn and pulled apart. This love is like wildfire, and to my word now I'll be true. Can't stop this breaking loose. This love is like wildfire, like wildfire.
I saw this girl, you know, trying to be someone else. But for that moment, it was like you were alone. You thought you were. And, you know, you could just be yourself.
Try describing a love you can't design.
Can you just come up here?